Hey guys, everybody needs their alone time. Everybody, men and women alike. And I'd like to show you what Marcus was generous enough to give to me when I'm craving alone time, or I need to do something where I can't be interrupted, or just someplace where I can just go and let my hair down and let my creativity or my personality just run free. Okay, so come on over here and let me show you my personal space. Okay, so this is it. I am fortunate enough to have it in a solarium. I love sunlight. I can even sleep here, and I love when the sun pops up in the morning and wakes me up. Okay, so let me take you on a tour. That closet I don't really use. I just store office supplies in there. I climb up here sometimes and open this window for fresh air. Let me show you some special things that people have given me in the past. Ever since I was a little girl, when I first saw these beautiful Russian dolls, I don't know, they just touch my heart so much. They always have. I wonder if it has to do with me being baby crazy or something, but because this woman has a baby and a baby and a baby and a baby and a baby. My lovely, beautiful friend Alexa gave me these, and I cherish them. This lovely work of art, I cherish this too. Erica Silver gave this to me when I gave her a 4-hour cooking lesson, food preparation lesson, and I love, love, love it. I love it. And let's see. Oh, somebody sent me this thing. It is crazy. It's a story written in Chinese on something so small. This interesting, cool thing was given to me by Dr. Snootopia, and I love it. I think it looks beautiful in my office. I look at it every day. I want to thank you for that, and just know it's in good hands. So I have my desk here, and this is where I do office work, and my file cabinet. So I do have a little area where I can just do a bunch of office work and sit down. Let's see. When I want to maybe watch something on YouTube, I can just mosey on over here, put a little box or something, and set it up. I have a nice area over here. Oh, there's a bathroom, of course. Well, not of course, but thankfully there's a bathroom with a shower. I never use the shower. This does double as a guest room when the few guests we have, which would be my son and Marcus's mother. And the bed, of course, when I am sleeping, there's a bed here, and I do use it sometimes if I ate something which I wouldn't supposed to. Like last night, I had lentil stew cooked. I'm never eating cooked lentils again. I had pain in my stomach, and I snore when I eat cooked food, so I can sleep in this bed to give Marcus a break from the snoring, which is great. Or if I go to bed really late and I don't want to bother Marcus getting in bed or something. So it's really great that there's a bed here. But it's just so important to have somewhere where you can call your own place and just get away. Even when you're a mother, when I was raising my son, my alone time was after he went to bed, and after 9 o'clock, that was my time. So even busy moms, you can still make time to get that alone time. And distance makes the heart grow fonder. It's true. After I'm here for a couple hours, I immediately start missing Marcus. I just need to decompress for a couple hours, and this is where I do it, and I just get filled with sunshine and inspiration and relaxation, and then I'm just ready to face the world again. So this is my she shed. I hope everybody can find some time, someplace, somewhere to get away and decompress, relax, be creative, or just do nothing at all. Alone time is so important that Marcus dedicated a whole page to it in his Heal Yourself 101 book on page 167, right next to how love and relationships and romance is healthy. So too is alone and quiet time away from your partner or from whoever, your child or your roommate even. But yes, and don't forget, this is a free download. Everybody should read this book if you haven't done it, Heal Yourself 101. I love it, and I love recommending it to people that really need and want to change their lives for the better. So please don't forget, take time out for yourself to do nothing or everything, but just in your she shed or your babe cave or your mom den, whatever you want to call it. I hope you can find a sanctuary of your own. Okay, so thank you for joining me on my little she shed tour. I'm glad I got to share it with you. Bye.